Yes, so I'll be using this video to show you how to use the part 2. So when you click right here, down here, you can see the arrow. So you search the tools there, so you search for part. So just scroll down. If you can't find it, you scroll. So you can press and hold it to favorite it, so you can see parts there. So you click on it and just use your fingers to drag this down to where you want to start your part from. So you drag it up to where the pullback starts from. So you tap there, you drag it down to the bottom of the pullback, the bottom of the last candle. So you move it to the next eye and you drag it down again to the bottom of the last candle. That shows the pullback. So that is it. So once you're done, you click down here to exit, and that is it. So let's see how it goes. If you have more questions, I'm always here to answer your questions. Okay.